Hi, my name is Anya, and for today's video I really want to show you how to make some small cookies. I hope you enjoy this video, and if there's anything you want to see me make, please leave in the comment section below. In a bowl, add in 170 grams of brown butter. Add in a third cup of white sugar and 1 cup of brown sugar. Mix until well combined. Add in 1 egg and 1 egg yolk and mix. Add in 1 3/4 cup of flour, a pinch of salt, and 3/4 teaspoon baking soda. Mix until well combined. Fold in 4 sheets of graham crackers that have been broken up, 1 cup of chocolate chips, scoop some of the cookie dough out, make a hole in the center and add in half a marshmallow. Place the cookies onto a baking sheet and place into the freezer for 1 hour. Then bake at 180 degrees Celsius for 12 to 14 minutes. And while we wait for it to bake, we can appreciate some of nature's beauty. Allow the cookies to cool down for a few minutes and enjoy some small cookies.